Welcome, and today we are going to look on how to make an interested girl be interested in you. Maybe she hates you. She don't want to hear anything from you. She don't like even to see you because she hates you. Maybe you don't know the reason why she hates you. Or it might be that you told her something which lowered the negative feeling on you. So how to make an interested girl start building the love for you, the deep love for you. How? So today's lesson we are going to look on 6 ways on how to make an interested girl build the interest on you. First is you don't have to force her or to give the pressure for her to make her love you. No, what you have to do is give her space, relax, be focused on your things. Don't pressurize her. If you don't love me, something terrible will happen to I know your parents, I know everything. If you force the girl to love you, it means you are creating the distance for her. Anything that you are forcing, you are using a lot of energy to get access to. It means you are creating the long space to be in touch, to be intact on the side. So if you want to make her like you, create the space, give her freedom, and that will advance your percentage of getting her. And the second thing you must understand or you must do is make apologies. Do apologies for her. If you did something wrong, apologize to her. Say, my girl, I did this, and I know I made the mistake. So please, can you give me forgiveness? So if she is really having a heart of forgiveness, then she will agree with you and forgive you, and this will make the dialects or it will bring out the distance within you and that girl. And the third thing you must look on is meet her and talk to her. Don't ignore her. If she is not interested in you, don't accept that girl won't love me, so it's better to focus on my thing. No. Go and talk to her. Talk to her, and this will help you get what you want from her. And the fourth thing you must understand or must do is be of good manner. It might happen that previously when you seduced her, you had a very bad manner, or drinking alcohol, taking stuff, those which is talking shit or talking something which is not accurate, beautiful. So what you have to be to understand and start doing is start creating a good manner, like respect, trustworthy, all those stuff like that, and those will create the high percentage of being accepted with that woman. And the 5th thing you must do is start closeness to her. Be a best friend. Don't avoid her. Be a best friend. Be a companion for her. Make a story beautiful, cherishing everywhere, and that will create a chance that being near to you, it is a very profitable thing. Then this will make her love the feeling for you. And the last one, number 6, is you have to advance your life. Focus on advancing your life. Your appearances, decisions making, and all the stuff like making a business or doing a business, starting the job or searching for a job, and doing the stuff that will advance your life. If you advance your life, then she will start thinking, oh my God, when I miss that man, it means I'm losing something very profitable, something so beautiful, something so cool. So she will start making a move towards loving you. I know it might happen that you want to be loved by a certain woman that you desire. So start making a change, move, and accepting yourself, accept who you are, and advance your life. And this will be the best performance which will make you achieve whatever thing you desire and conquer the heart of that beautiful woman. Thank you for watching. This is Johannes John. If you haven't subscribed, I ask you to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And this will be beautiful for our relationship. Thank you for